prefer करते हैं कभी-कभी एक long ball in behind the defense. So interesting styles at play. We do see now with Pele takes a long range shot, save parried away by Van der Sar.
ये छोटी सी भी opening he takes it on, and he even knows how to play under pressure. But right now he's built up an own attack with Garland a little bit ahead. But that's a goal
Out of nowhere, just a small chip ball over the head of Ruud Gullit, and then just Ronaldo 9 on his own.
But right now we've got a strong counter attack being built up. Ronaldo taking control of the situation, passing it on towards Pele as Ronaldo.
Unfortunately, it falls to Maldini, not the kind of player you want dribbling over there. But now he's got Ronaldo, and you say,
Oh,
and
wow.
it's wide. It's wide.
And Imad on his attack right now has passed it on towards Pele from the right wing, trying to get inside, will get control over Ronaldo, can go for another shot on goal, and there it is! Imad, a
just a
two-goal lead.
complete sucker punch over there. 2-goal lead, and it could have been 1-1 at the end. You see Varsi almost having a little laugh on the side, saying, "Kya yaar, ye kya ho gaya? Mera goal hona chahiye tha ye." But unfortunately, this is the uncompromising world.
Yeah, and his defense is so spot on. He knows exactly what's going to happen. He's there, and right now he's on a counter attack of its own with another pass being made towards Mbappe. He's going to twist it, turn, and score! Oh God!
Oh my goodness, this is just absolutely clinical from Imad today. I am not quite sure what he's had for breakfast in the morning, but something is just absolutely clicking into gear for Imad. Just look at him, absolutely toying with Varsi over there. Feature has been added into the game because the defense for is looking very sluggish for Varsi over here. And again, he's got Pele in the box, creates the opening, goes for the finish shot, and it's in! What a brilliant goal, and it is 4-0!
See, what on earth that was. The way he created that space, that last moment trick maneuver, and then going for that finesse shot. It was so well orchestrated, so well planned. आरसी को मिले, एक ही बार मिलता है, एक दो बार ही देते हैं, उसके अलावा नहीं देते ज़्यादा.
Yeah, absolutely, and it is going to be an uphill task. We do see now that Bengaluru FC and Varsi have gone to 3 at the back. This should be a goal and almost saved by Van der Sar, but it's in. And hello, it's 4-1. It's back again, and is worth it. You don't always have to work that perfect chance. Speaking of the perfect chance, we have Mbappe in the box, and it is in at the near post from Eusebio. Don't apologize, man. That's a great goal, and suddenly the comeback could be on.
Yes, the comeback story is definitely getting real, boys. It's gonna be very, very tough. But looking at things, Imad right now is again on his attack, and that little cheeky pass works out, goes for the shot, but well directly to the keeper's gloves as he manages to pot it out for a corner.
Yeah, there was a nice little double tap pass over there. We might see a cross coming in at the box. He's got the right man at the post, and it is in. It is Marquinhos. And when he is at the back post, it's rarely going to be anything other than a goal because his heading stats are through the roof. So without the pressure, if it was just a simple 0-0 or 1-0 scoreline, he wouldn't try that pass. But for the moment, it is Pele coming in. He has the shot. Surely he's going to score over here. No, decides to round the keeper. And now with Mbappe, he's got Ronaldo 9. And he can. He's working this well. Gets the opening. But again, Imad's defense very solid. 2 minutes of added time being played. We're going to see Mbappe running now towards the end of the goal. He's got CR7 in the box to cross it for. And did he go near post? That is astonishing.
How did that goal go in? He doesn't believe himself. But yes, it is a goal, ladies and gentlemen. And हम लोग को सभी को लग रहा था कि वो last moment एक maybe
And interesting to see that Mufu not going for, he has been one of the players to go with Ronaldinho, but why take Ronaldinho when you have Ronaldo and it's off the post?
Not a counter attack anymore really because of he's setting it up. He's setting it up piece by piece. Ronaldo and Messi, quite a rare sight, passing to each other. Could go for a through, but R9 was a little too ahead, but still goes for the shot, and yes, that is a goal. Northeast United FC 1-0 up against Bengaluru FC. That's a shocker for Shagnik.
Yeah, and you can't say it's not been coming. I think he's just been playing with incredible confidence. I did think, it could have gone both ways. It's so narrow, it's so compact. There's you have to be absolutely precise, and maybe that precision will come here. He's got Ronaldo and Mbappe. Has the shot, and it's in off the post.
Wow.
And finally, Sagnik has his goal back. I think Mufu will feel a little hard done by. I think he felt he had the angle covered over there for the shot going in off the post. But now it's all reset to take. But again, you can see just the number of players in the box. But he's got the opportunity and saved by Van der Sar, making up for that previous mistake.
Coming up. So again, last few attempts for either of these teams. Let's see how it goes out.
He's got his favorite. These are the players he usually starts with. And he's found the opening to Pele, and it is in. That's brilliantly worked. And the substitutes combining, it was Maradona to Ronaldinho, and then that brilliant ball found to Pele.
For Sagnik in process, as we can see, Mbappe just trying to play things through, passing it on towards Ronaldo, who's going to be going for a shot. But again, chance is still there, but I think finally it's done. It's done. The last corner.
Still might be it from the corner. He's worked that brilliantly. Is it another corner? Is it a penalty? No, it's full time. My entire life as a football fan, I saw Cristiano Ronaldo making a slide tackle up top. So it's never happened. They're really making those forward players work. And they're happy to actually just make the forward players press really high and then substitute them later on. Great work, surely a goal, and brilliant individual skill over there. You'd have to say, I think that is Varsi who got that goal. You can see
could have been the one into top 4. But with the way this top 4 battle is going on, I'm not going to be surprised if we have leveled up points. But again, another chance being built up over here by Pele, passing on towards Mbappe, and he's going to go for the shot. Surely no, goes for the pass instead. And then it's R9 who goes in for the score. And there you have Bengaluru FC scoring 2 goals in quick succession.
Yeah, I mean, it is the season of giving gifts, and that was a couple of clear gifts, and yeah, that's 3-0. That's yeah, I think it's a case of Northeast United FC have just really completely switched off now, and conversely, Bengaluru FC very switched on because they're playing for their pride right now. Very, very fine margins. We see Ronaldo now getting in. He has a couple of options. Decides to go alone, and a brilliant save again by Van der Sar.
Yeah, I mean, I really felt that could have directly gone for the shot, but again, he's going to compensate for it. Goes directly into the gloves of Van der Sar.
Extra time. It does look like this is going to now slowly meander to just 3-0.